Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to read second lesson of your OME book 2. Lesson 2, The Trap. This is a story about a tiger and a boy. First of all, we shall read words to know. Honest. What is the word? Honest. यहाँ पर एक silent है. Good. Not false. Not telling lies. Immediately. What is the word? Immediately. Immediately means foreign. Straight away. At once. Jackal. What is the word? Jackal. A wild animal like a dog. Matter. What is the word? Matter. Problem. Replied, answered. Rubbish, useless or unwanted things. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. Caught. Caught. It is second form of catch. Who was caught in a trap? A tiger was caught in a trap. He tried and tried to get out. But the trap was very strong and he could not get through the bars. Just then, a boy came walking by. The tiger cried out, "Let me out. My friend, please let me out of this awful trap." "No," said the boy. "You will eat me up." "No, no," said the tiger. "I shall be your friend and servant." Then he cried and cried until at last the boy opened the door. The tiger immediately caught hold of him. "You fool!" roared the tiger. Roared. Roared. "Now I shall eat you up." The boy started to cry, and the tiger said, "All right, perhaps, I will let you go. Ask for help from 3 things you see." From how many things was he asked to get help? He was asked to get help from 3 things. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go. Agree. Agree. First, the boy asked a great tree in the forest for help. Whom did he ask for help first? First, he asked a great tree for help. But the tree laughed. Who laughed? The tree laughed. "Why should I help you?" said the tree. "You are lucky. People take my fruit and cut my branches. Nobody helps me. Go away." Did the tree help the boy? No, it did not. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing now? He is asking a bullock for help now. Next, the boy saw a bullock. 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 Working in a field. He asked the bullock for help. "You are lucky," said the bullock. "I work hard all day and get little to eat. Nobody helps me. Go away." Did the bullock help the boy? No, it did not. Finally, the boy said to the road, "Oh road, please ask the tiger to set me free." To whom did he ask for help finally? Finally, he asked the road to help him. "Never," said the road. "You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride all over me. They throw rubbish on me. Nobody helps me. Go back to the tiger." Did the road help him? No, it did not. While reading, the tree, the bullock and the road did not help the boy. Why? The answer is nobody helped them. That's why they did not help the boy. The boy was sad, but he was also honest. He walked back to the tiger. On the way, he met a jackal. To whom did he meet on the way? He met a jackal on the way. What's the matter, boy? Asked the jackal. The boy told him about the tiger. The jackal felt sad. I will help you, he said, and went with the boy to the tiger. How did you get into the trap in the beginning? Beginning, he asked the tiger. Now, look at the picture. The tiger is in the trap again. Like this, replied the tiger. But how? Show me, said the jackal. The tiger walked back into the trap, and at once the jackal shut the door. So, who put the tiger back in the trap? The answer is the jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Now, stay there, said the clever jackal. And he and the boy went away. So, students, do you learn something from this story? Yes, we learn that we should be kind to each other. Dear students, now please take out your summer pad and open Words for Dictation Lesson 2, The Trap. We are going to learn pronunciation of these words. First word is caught. Next, tried, cried, awful, servant, roared, field, started, lucky, perhaps, loft, forest, branches, finally, rubbish, jackal, matter, beginning, replied, immediately. Here are sentences given in your summer bag. You can also make sentences of your own choice. Unit 2, The Trap. Words, sentences. Number 1, trap. The mouse caught in a trap. Number 2, throw. Throw rubbish in the bin. Number 3, honest. My father is an honest man. Number 4, awful. The trap was very awful. Number 5, pull. Don't pull the rope. Number 6, servant. My servant is cleaning my room. Number 7, clever. Ali is very clever. Number 8, show. Show me your nails. Here is one more question from your summer bag. Unit 2, The Trap. Answer these questions. Number 1, why was the road unhappy? Answer, the road was unhappy because people threw rubbish on it. Number 2, who put the tiger back in the trap? Answer, the jackal put the tiger back in the trap. I hope it will be helpful for you. Now please complete page number 6 and 7 of your summer bag. Allah Hafiz.